How to adjust brightness on Windows 10. Adjusting the brightness is actually very simple. If you look at the taskbar, you'll be able to see this kind of icon. Simply click on it. Now you'll be able to access the action center over here. You can find the slider for brightness. Drag it to the right in order to increase the brightness. Drag it to the left in order to decrease it. If you do not see the option for brightness over here, you can open the settings. Click on the start icon. Hover over the gear icon and click on the option for settings. Once you do that, the settings will be opened. Click on the option system that you can see on the screen. Make sure the option for display is selected over here. At top, you can find the option for brightness and color. Drag the slider to the right in order to increase the brightness. Drag it to the left in order to decrease it. Like this, you can adjust brightness on Windows 10. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching.